Hi, my name is Lucas, and this is my father's car that I'll be talking about today. So this is a 1984 Pininfarina Azzurri, or is known as a 1984 Fiat Spyder 2000. This is a one-off color, so the Azzurri is typically blue. It's named after the Italian race boat. You can see the logo on the back of the trunk. And so this came in a blue with a tan interior. My dad did not like the blue and that tan interior, so he chose a one-off color and a one-off interior for the car. But yeah, this has been in our family since about 1997, and then he had it fully restored by the year 2000. So growing up, my dad used to drive me to school with this all the time. So every morning in September, my dad would drive. You put his CD in that he burnt, and we'd listen to Eminem and Biggie and all of them, and we'd listen to that all morning at like 7 o'clock in the morning, blasting it all the way down to my school downtown. And the best thing is, my dad, this was not supposed to be a three-seater, and I have a brother, and we'd go to school together. He put a seatbelt there for me, and basically you would sit on a subwoofer. And so my dad has a 16-inch subwoofer in the back and a bunch of mids. So the bass in this is incredibly loud, and it's fantastic. So growing up, if you were tired at like 6 or 7 in the morning on our way to school, we would sleep on top of the subwoofer and just bounce, and it was a lot of fun. So the license plate was custom made because that was my dad's nickname in his group of guys. They all had cars, so my dad's friend, he had the owner of this shop. He's now retired, but he had a black Fiat and he had his own custom name on his, and then another guy had an Alfa Romeo GTV, and etc. And they all had nicknames. And since my dad grew up in a Portuguese neighborhood, and there was a Portuguese group called the Freakouts, they just associated, since he was Portuguese and from the area, they called him the Freakout. Another rare thing about this car that I absolutely love, this is one of 5 with white dials. So him and his friends, they all came with black dials, and no one liked them. So all 5 of his friends changed their cars to white dials, which is very uncommon. If you look at any other one, other than 5 other cars will have white dials. So my dad, he changed it to, he likes Momo. So he got Momo pedals for it and a Momo steering wheel because he didn't like how big the steering wheel was. And so it drives nicer, it's nice and small, nice and tight, and it's great. And it makes it a little bit easier when you have no power steering, since this has a manual rack in it and they didn't come with power steering. My favorite thing about this car is just the looks. Like, it's just miles per hour. Like, everyone's gonna smile and wave at you. And it's not meant to go extremely fast. It's just meant to go cruise, go get an ice cream, go drive around, have your hair blow in the wind. That's all it's about. It's just so much fun. And the music. Aww.